Worms down.
Guys, I know you guys have been waiting. You may have heard that it was raining men, but not anymore. It's not raining men anymore. It's gonna be raining worms, but right now my computer's buffering because it's a fucking piece of shit.
It needs to render the worms.
Yeah, it's rendering all the chunks, you know? And we've got news for you, so you better listen, okay? So get ready, all you lonely worms out there, and leave those umbrellas at home, alright? Melody's rising. Barometers getting low. According to all sources, the streets the place to go. 'Cause tonight for the first time, just about 10:30, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining worms. It's raining worms. Hallelujah, it's a raining worms. I'm gonna go out and gonna let myself get motherfucking absolutely soaking wet with worm juice, baby. It's raining worms. Hallelujah, it's raining worms. Every specimen, tall, blonde, dark and lean, rough and tough and strong and mean. God, 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 God bless Mother Nature. She's a single worm too. She took over heaven, and she did what she had to do. She brought every angel. She rearranged the sky so that each and every worm could find the perfect wormy guy. It's a raining man. Humidity's rising. Barometer's getting low. Oh, I sang that too far, too fast. There's a pause. According to all sources. Oh yeah, baby. The dirt's the place to go. 'Cause tonight for the first time, just about 10:30, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining worms. Yeah, it's raining worms. Hallelujah, it's raining worms. Oh, it's raining worms. Hallelujah, it's raining worms. It's raining worms. Hallelujah, it's raining worms. It's raining worms. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tall, blonde, dark and lean, rough and tough and strong and mean. Oh yeah, hallelujah, it's fucking raining worms. You're welcome. I'm a fucking worm.
Stop that negative talk.
Okay, that's not the talk of a true worm.
Yeah, you're a powerful fucking worm. You own that. Own that you're a worm.
Okay, I'm gonna own the worm.